WTI was a very good fit for me in the aspect that it helped me work around my schedule as a single parent and being able to work and incorporate my further education and being able to better myself and my life for my family. In regards to the hands-on training, it definitely gave you that feel and that idea of how you're going to apply what you learned in the classroom to what you're actually going to be doing in real life. My classroom experiences, I enjoyed being engaged with the instructor. The instructors here at WTI were phenomenal. I love the career services at WTI. They sent me notifications constantly on places that were hiring. They kept me up to date. They kept me linked in to the different positions that I was looking for. If I had a friend that was wanting to go back to school, I would definitely recommend WTI as my very first choice. WTI has changed my life in so many ways, and I know that if I had someone who was looking for that kind of change, this would be the place that they would need to go. It was the best decision that I've ever made.